This footage captures a high-activity environment at a metal recycling facility involving heavy machinery and continuous material processing. While an excavator was loading scrap metal into a hydraulic baler, a worker approached the compression chamber to inspect or adjust the materials. Due to a lapse in communication between the operator and floor personnel, combined with the worker entering a blind spot while the equipment was active, a severe accident occurred. In seconds, the automated cycle engaged, and the worker became trapped. To prevent such tragedies, facilities must enforce strict lockout, tagout protocols, ensuring machines are de-energized before any human intervention. Maintaining safe distances, using clear hand signals, and installing safety sensors like light curtains are essential steps to protect lives in high-risk industrial zones. This video captures a critical safety incident involving high-speed industrial rotating equipment. While operating in close proximity to an unguarded steel pipe system, a worker's clothing became entangled in the rotating axis, instantly pulling them into the machine's path due to the sheer force of momentum. This incident highlights the extreme danger posed by exposed moving parts and the lack of proper physical barriers. Essential safety protocols include rigorous machine guarding, where rotating shafts must be equipped with fixed guards or safety cages to prevent accidental contact. Furthermore, maintaining proper attire by avoiding loose clothing or jewelry is vital to minimize entanglement risks. Workers must maintain a strict safety perimeter and never breach designated no-go zones. Losing situational awareness for even a second can lead to life-altering industrial accidents. This video captures a critical safety breach within an automated production environment. The incident occurred when a technician attempted to manually adjust a workpiece on the assembly line without following standard lockout, tagout, LOTO procedures. Because the system sensors did not detect human presence within the operational zone, the robotic arm activated according to its pre-programmed cycle, resulting in a severe physical impact between the machinery and the worker. The root cause was identified as human error, specifically entering a high-risk red zone without first deactivating the automated control system. This event serves as a vital reminder of the absolute necessity of adhering to safety barriers and automated machinery protocols. In any industrial setting, personnel must never approach moving mechanical parts while a system is active or in standby mode. Workplace safety must always take precedence over productivity targets. Basic risk control steps must never be bypassed. This video provides a detailed reconstruction of a severe industrial incident caused by a total failure to follow standard operating procedures. The event unfolded during a routine system inspection when technical personnel bypassed fundamental safety protocols and failed to properly monitor internal pressure levels. Due to an excessive accumulation of pressure that surpassed the equipment's structural integrity, a violent physical failure occurred, resulting in extensive damage to the machinery and the surrounding facility. This footage serves as a critical reminder of the absolute necessity of adhering to workplace safety and health regulations. In high-pressure environments, even the slightest oversight during maintenance can lead to catastrophic results. Never operate machinery without verifying that all pressure relief valves and automatic shutoff systems are fully functional. In a busy warehouse environment, employees were focused on sorting packages using an automated conveyor system. The footage captures a serious industrial accident when a worker's clothing became entangled in the moving mechanisms of the conveyor belt. The sudden, powerful force of the machinery pulled the individual into the system, leading to a hazardous situation and immediate panic. Fortunately, alert coworkers reacted instantly by hitting the emergency stop. This incident highlights critical safety lessons. Always wear well-fitted, snag-free clothing and secure long hair near moving parts to prevent entanglement. Furthermore, every employee must be trained on the exact location of emergency stop buttons, maintain constant situational awareness, and management must ensure all hazardous mechanical points are shielded with proper safety guards to prevent accidental contact. In a battery manufacturing facility, a hazardous event occurred when several units ignited and experienced thermal runaway explosions during handling and storage. The footage shows intense flames and heavy plumes of black smoke, leading to immediate chaos on the warehouse floor. Although staff attempted immediate suppression, the fire spread rapidly, significantly damaging the facility. Critical safety lessons include maintaining safe storage protocols by keeping lithium units in well-ventilated areas away from heat. Furthermore, facilities must be equipped with specialized Class D dry powder extinguishers rather than standard water. Personnel must be trained to recognize early failure signs and prioritize evacuation. While rigorous quality control and frequent inspections are essential to prevent future combustion incidents. This footage captures a critical safety incident involving improper material handling within a glass fabrication facility. The root cause identifies a technical mismatch between the equipment used and the load requirements. While attempting to transport oversized glass panes using a standard manual pallet jack, the center of gravity became unstable due to mechanical vibrations. In a split second, inertia caused the mass to shift, overwhelming human control and resulting in a high-impact physical strike to workers in the line of fire. This serves as a vital reminder to never use improper machinery for specialized materials, to utilize A-frame racks or vacuum lifting systems, and to always identify drop zones. Workplace safety leaves no room for improvisation. Strict adherence to protocols is the only way to ensure every team member returns home safely. The footage captures a severe workplace accident at a bulk material processing facility. While the machinery was operational, a worker approached a hopper area to clear a blockage or inspect flow. Lacking physical guarding and failing to follow de-energization protocols, the worker was caught in moving components. This tragedy underscores the need for rigorous safety standards. Strict adherence to lockout-tagout, LOTO, is mandatory. Never inspect moving parts without securing a zero-energy state. Machine guarding, like physical barriers, must protect all pinch points and conveyors. Facilities should utilize emergency stops and proximity sensors to halt machinery automatically. Finally, comprehensive hazard training is vital to ensure employees never intervene while equipment is energized. Safety allows no complacency, as one bypassed protocol leads to irreversible consequences. The footage captures a critical safety incident where a worker on a large storage tank introduced an open flame, reportedly by lighting a cigarette near flammable vapors. This triggered a pressure explosion and sudden fire, throwing the worker from the vessel and illustrating the extreme risks of neglecting fire prevention protocols. This event serves as a stark reminder that a single lapse in judgment leads to devastating results. Strict prohibition of ignition sources, including smoking and lighters, is mandatory in hazardous areas. Furthermore, vapor monitoring and proper ventilation must be confirmed before approaching tanks. Personnel should also utilize specialized anti-static and flame-resistant PPE to minimize risks. Ultimately, workplace safety requires strict discipline and adherence to all posted procedures to protect the entire team. This footage captures a serious industrial accident during the unloading of large steel plates from a flatbed truck. While a worker secures heavy-duty clamps, the crane applies tension, causing the load to become unstable. The massive weight makes the plates flex and suddenly slip from the hoist, striking the worker standing nearby. This incident highlights the extreme danger of standing within the fall zone during lifting operations. To prevent such events, workers must never stand on the trailer bed while the crane is engaged and must maintain strict line-of-fire awareness. Rigging integrity is vital. All cables and clamps must be rated for the weight and seated securely. Ground crews must remain at a safe distance to react to mechanical failures, as following OSHA safety protocols is essential for survival in high-risk industrial environments.